Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOps School's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so now this is the way we have write a code build.gradle. This is the way we write a tasks. This is the action. I'll talk about it in some time. And this is the method, function, and then like that. So now like this you will write and move on. So now I just said the task, okay, task which is written in a domain specific language. Each task has a life cycle. So this task which you see has a life cycle. What life cycle? So each task run in the three life cycle. Which are those? So see here. So has a life cycle. So life cycle will have these many phases: initialization phase, configuration phase, execution phase. Now we'll say what is the difference. So we'll understand this one in some time. Okay, so in Gradle, you have a defined properties also, built-in properties, and custom properties also. So the task, now what is task? So code that execute, the Gradle execute, which is nothing but a task, has a life cycle, initialization, configuration, and executions. Task may have a properties also and have actions, first action and last action. So if you see that here, this is the do last, means last action. Do first is a first action. Now, what is the difference? I'll talk about in some time. And can have a dependencies as well. So look at this here. You can have a description also. So I'm just typing the description here. This is the thing. Okay. Now, one important thing is, see here, when it display the task, after that there was no description. But here you have a description. Here you have a description. So how do we add that description? So here you can add hello.description, and this is use cases just to print hello like this. You can add this and go. Now you can keep inside that also, by the way. This you can keep inside or see also. Okay, now next thing is do last, do first. So what is this? So task has description, and description has actions. Do last, do first. So do last means anything which you want to do, it will be doing at the end of it. Do first, no matter whether you are writing at the end of it, it will run first. So let's check it out. Hello Gradle, do last. Hello Gradle, do first. Now here this I'm writing at the end of it, but it should expect, it should run first. It should run last. Let's do that. Share the screen. Ask all. Now if you see that here, description also has come. Now I'm going to run this. Hello. Look at this here. First and then do last, irrespective of where you are writing. So if any you want any task you want, any things you want to run first, then you put it in the first. Anything you want to run last, you put it in the last. So that's the things. So here you can have the function also. Now you can have a properties also. So how do you have
Rajesh.
a properties? Just a second, hold on.
Okay.
So you can have a properties also. How do you define the properties? So you can put this like this. Define the properties in this here, and this you please correct it. And how do you use it, this property? So here do last dollar like this. So you can use this properties also if you want to do that. So let's look at this here. Hello. And now you see that do last 2.0, 2.0, 2.0. Yeah, what was your questions?
What actually do you write here? The script. What sort of
Yeah,
script do you write there?
wait. Coming back to that slowly. Yeah,
Okay.
let's understand that first how to work with some basics. Then we'll come to the logic.
Okay.
So now what we have learned is if you want to write Gradle script, you have to store in the build.gradle. If you want to do anything such as printing some message, then you have to have a tasks. Inside a task, you have a description, properties, actions, and plugins also. I'm not adding plugins right now. And how do you display the task, and how do you run the task? Are you clear so far?
Is the whole process one task? Like let's say for our application, will we have one task or will it be multiple tasks with this different
There'll
kind
be
of?
multiple tasks, a lot of tasks. I'll show you. This is a custom. You are writing your own logic. So I'm trying to teach you how to write your own logic.
And
Make
this
sense?
these tasks, the functions kind of thing that do last do those things, right? Uh, are they global? Like if we have it, if we have to use this in some other task, can we use it?
Yeah. This thing, whatever you say, it's a global. I mean, this is custom, but inside that description, this property, println function, do last action, these all are global. Anywhere you can use it.
Okay.
Okay, so now you understood this stuff, and so on.
Hello, Rajesh.
Now, yeah,
Sorry, a quick question. Is that
yeah.
the standard for writing Gradle code,
See,
the
it's
script?
up to you. I just said no multiple times. I said Gradle supports both ways. You have very good algorithm to write your own build process. You can write. You define how many tasks you want. I'll come back to and show you that. I'm not showing you the real book right now. But if you say
Okay,
no, Rajesh, I don't want to write any script, then go for the procedure which I'll show you the demo just like a Maven little bit later. Okay.
okay, all right.
Okay, so now this is the stuff. Now the question is what you can do. What you can do. So guys, what I can do. So uh, simple thing I'll do, and that is copy some files, delete some files, compile some files like this. So where is the functions for it? I will write this tasks. Where is a function for it? So you should look for documentation. Always look for the official documents. Okay. Gradle copy tasks, and here it is. Now left side. I know I'm not. I don't want you to look at this one. Left side. Look at this here. See here. I can't select, not sure, but is there? See that these all are tasks. I'll tell you one of the tasks which is a very generic, and that is exec task. Anyone guess what can you do with exec?
Execute the application.
Mhm.
Execute any commands you can execute. It's very generic one.
Okay.
Okay, but anyways, right now copy task here. So this is the example. You should read it. Don't rush it because it's a long learning process. So first thing you will build a logic, because right now what you are doing you decided to write your own logic, declarative. So you build a logic, copy source code from here to there, and copy dependent library from here to there, set some environment. You have to develop your own logic because you know the product. Okay, compile, unit test, call the unit tests, and all stuff like that. And then package using what? Package using jar. You decide. I'm not going to, or a jar or package using zip. So you will write a pseudocode. This is called pseudocode. Write a pseudocode. You understand the project. You understand what need to be done. You decided to go for customizations. So you should know everything. That is the expectations. So whatever you do, accordingly you will find the task here, task type. You'll find the task. So right now, I just want to show you the some demo here. There's one task which is for copy. What is the name of the task? Copy docs. Now here the logic I can write, I wrote here, but this I'm going to copy that from the copy. Type is copy. This is the inbuilt task. From that I want to behave. So the moment you copy, then their parameters you can use it. What parameter? These are the parameters. So what? From where? So I need to have some source code, no? So here I have source code chat, src, main. My God, so many. Okay, I'll just simplify this because I don't want too much confusion. So here, paste. Here I say source, just for demo purpose. Okay, this is a source, src, and yeah, done. And I want to store in the destination folder. So take it from the source src and into dest in the same direction. Are you understanding so far?
Yeah.
Yes.
Simple. So source and destinations. Can I see now? This is the one simple code. Can I see that? Remember that I am not teaching you the logic. I'm teaching you how to write a code. Logic you will have to build yourself. See here, copy docs has come here. Copy docs. I just run the only copy docs, not this one. And you see here, one actionable task executed. Let me check. See destination done. Understood, all of you?
One quick question, right? The are we, where is the file that you have currently, right? It's at the highest level.
Hmm.
It's at the same level where
Hmm.
source and destination are. That's why you don't have like, that's why you have relative
I
path and
may,
not like.
I minimize the complexity. Otherwise, you will take it from some different location. Maybe you will
Okay.
download from the internet also. Maybe
Mhm.
you will check out using checkout. Checkout command. Tell me.
From Git. Yeah.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.